Today guys, I'm going to be explaining how to mine the X Empire very efficiently. First of all, you have to launch your app. After launching your app, make sure you claim these daily bonuses that have been mined. So you claim it. Then for you to mine this very efficiently, as you can see, I'm currently on 5.2 billion profit per hour. So what you want to do is you head to this improve. You head to this improve right here. Make sure you head there, then click on it, and you try to upgrade the most profitable tax, the most profitable cards there. As you can see here, there are a lot of cards. I've already upgraded most of them to the max, but you are sure to look out for the profitable ones. And I think most of them are in this AI. Yes, most of them are in this AI part. You see 1.6 gives you 7 million profit per hour. You might want to upgrade that. And another fun fact is your earning rate will be determined by your profit per hour. For example, if you are on, let's go to this quest. If you are on less than, let's say, 1 million profit per hour, you don't expect to earn this 5 billion from daily task. It's going to be way low. So for you to be able to earn more from this task, you need to upgrade your profit per hour so that you can be earning quite a lot more from there. And your daily reward too, I've claimed at least a lot from here to restarting from day 10. So if you upgraded your profit per hour, that's the main thing here. You upgrade your profit per hour, then you head over to your task. You notice that the earning rates are increasing gradually. So that's just the major thing you have to do there. And make sure you do the daily investments. This right here, I post the updates every day. So make sure you head over to there and you make sure you do the task. I've not done today on, I'm going to do it shortly. And what you always want to do, tap. Make sure you increase. Let me show you guys something. This tapping meter here, you can see I'm currently on, I think, 150 million for everything. For you to be able to reach this max, then you go to this mining. Make sure you upgrade these cards right here. Upgrade them and scroll down. Scroll down, then upgrade these ones as well. As you can see, they are the ones that give you maximum amount of taps and energy for you to be able to earn well. So I hope this video helps you guys on the mining on X Empire. Have a lovely day, guys.